Do you know why you've been a mother for this long, but meal planning and snacks and food things still feel overwhelming? It's because you're always problem solving them from a stress state. When we're stressed out that we don't know what's for dinner, or we don't know what to get at the grocery store, or the kids are asking us for food all day long, in that moment when we are stressed, we are terrible problem solvers. Terrible problem solvers. And so rarely are we solving food issues from a place of peace. So what you want to do is you want to get calm, you want to shake it off, you want to know that you're a good mom and your kids are going to be wonderful humans and God loves you and he's with you and the stakes are low. Your brain is going to tell you that the stakes are high and this is a big deal and there's a big problem. But we want to get calm, we want to come back to Christ, and then we want to problem solve from peace. What do we want to eat? Do I want to make a plan every 6 weeks? Do I want to have snack rules, times of day, only certain kinds of snacks that they can ask for? Do I want to pre-baggy them? There's so many tips and tricks around food, but rarely are we planning from a place of peace. And so it just keeps haunting us that we're bad at food stuff. And then, of course, we make that mean we're bad moms. Something's wrong with us because surely all the other moms have it figured out. So I hope that this is helpful for you. And we are going to cover food planning in more detail and so many other things in the Keep Your Cool workshop coming up at the end of June so that you don't lose your bloomin' mind having the kids home all summer. I would like to teach you how to be the peace center of your home and to keep your cool with the kids this summer. Come join me for this workshop.